Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I want to wish every single one of you a happy new year. This is technically my first video of the year 2022. So let's just go ahead and jump in. This is the December Try Beauty box. I actually got it this year, 2 weeks ago. So I'm happy to finally sit down and film it for you guys. If you follow me on Instagram, you have already seen the pictures of them. And I'm so excited to talk about each product. And at the end, just show you a quick makeup tutorial using all of the items that we got in this December box. This first item is by the brand Illamasqua, and we were supposed to either get the Expressionist Artistry Palette or the Unveiled Artistry Palette. I got the Unveiled Artistry Palette. The box is a black color, but once you take out the palette is actually pink. It's so freaking pretty. I love this palette. It gets dirty so fast, but you can actually clean it really easily. So I like the dusty rose color. I really love the shape of this palette. It's so beautiful. It's a heavy palette. So once you open it up, you have an elongated mirror in here, which is perfect for the eye makeup. Down here you have 12 beautiful eyeshadows. 6 of them are matte and 6 of them are metallic-y eyeshadows, which I absolutely love. I actually tried to do something different because we are approaching Valentine's Day. I decided to go with the pinky tones and not the copper tones or the gold tones, and I really love this eye makeup. All of the eyeshadows are very beautiful, very buttery soft, and very pigmented. The only thing I do not like is the fact that the names come in the plastic, and this palette retails for $50. The next item that I got was the Luxie Floral brush set. As you can see, I actually have not opened this one because I actually have that same set already. I didn't want to open it because I'm going to save it for a giveaway. So make sure, if you have not subscribed to my channel, to subscribe to my channel because the giveaway is going to come soon. I'm going to reveal what's going to be in the giveaway. Anyways guys, so this is the Luxie Floral brush set. You could either have received this set or the Margot Elena Dead Sexy perfume. This floral brush set by Luxie features a beautiful pouch bag in which you get 4 beautiful brushes and a mini makeup sponge, which is so adorable. I love the colors. I've already talked about this brush set in one of my unboxings, but I'm obsessed with the minty color and the purple in the pouch bag. You can actually make a whole look using this whole entire brush set. You get a tapper blending brush, you get an eye shading brush, you get a concealer brush, and an eyeliner brush. I'm a Luxie brush lover and no brush from them has ever failed me. This whole set values for $40. If you are interested in those brushes, stay on the lookout for the giveaway. The next item we have is by the brand Wonder Beauty, which I have received a lot in my Try Beauty, and it's such a pleasure to always get a product from Wonder Beauty. This is the Mile High Club Volume and Length Mascara. Such a simple, elegant packaging. I love it. It's actually not your typical mascara packaging inside, and I freaking love it. It comes in a squeezable tube. You actually have to twist the wand to take it out. It has the regular mascara wand, just a different tube. It definitely volumizes and lengthens your lashes. I love this. I can't wait to keep using this mascara. This little guy retails for $34. Next, we have a brand that I didn't know about until now. This is the SF Glow. These are the gold foil face lip eye mask set. So you get the face, you get the lip mask, and you get the eye masks. I didn't want to waste this face mask, so I know I could keep it and save it for another time. So I decided to use the I Woke Up Like This gold foil eye mask and the Suns Out, Pouts Out gold foil lip mask because my lips have been super dry. The patch is like a cheetah print. but with gold foil. It's so cute, and it's super hydrating. Trust me, after this my lips were so hydrated. My under eyes loved it as well. So once you remove them, you actually have some serum left over. Well, actually a lot, which I actually used to spread all over my face, and there you go. I hydrated my entire face with just those 3. This whole set retails for $18. And last but not least, we got another brand that I didn't know about, which is called Daily Concepts. And this is your facial mini scrubber with smart technology. It's so freaking cute. I love this. You have the exfoliating side, and on the other side it's more like a microfiber type of fabric. You got the loopy thing, so you can actually hang it to dry it. It actually says face it, you're beautiful, and on the other side it says replace when writing fades. Now on the back you do have a little pocket in which you can slide your fingers, and that is how you use it. I have this pimple here. It was so red, and once I exfoliated with this, it calmed it down. This little guy retails for only $8. And that is everything we received in this box. My favorite item, oh my god, ugh. The brush set is a winner. I freaking love brushes. You can never have enough brushes or makeup sponges. It will always be one of my favorite makeup brush sets, which is why I'm going to save this little guy for one of you guys. Let me know in the comments down below your favorite item. Now the total value for this box is $150. But if you're subscribed to Try Beauty, you only pay $39.99 every other month. Also, if you're interested in saving a 10% of your first box, you can use my code YesMe at checkout. Alright guys, and that completes this video. Before we start the tutorial, I just want to remind you to please leave a like. This is a great way to help me out. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please make sure you do. Stay tuned for the giveaway reveal. And I will see you guys till my next video. Bye!